In this short video, I would like to explain how to make an overlay text. I use Camtasia 8. I also have 9, but for Khan Academy video, especially for subtitle, Camtasia 9 misses a very important feature which Camtasia 8 has. So I recommend to use Camtasia 8, its timeline and caption sync. In this example math video, I want to overlay this 10,000 with a Japanese text 1,000 no kurai. To do that, first I export this frame. Now I have a PNG file of this frame here. I open it with GIMP. You can of course use Photoshop or anything. I make a layer for a mask of English image. Now I mask the English text here. I want to remove this S. Now I save the GIMP file. Then I overlay a Japanese text with the same color of the original English text. I input no kurai, it means place value, and adjust the position a little bit. Now I export only the mask and the text layers. This is the image to export. Export. Okay. Now I import the image to Camtasia and put it to here. You see the overlay Japanese text magnified. Here it is. If I switched off this layer, you can see the original English text. This is how I make the overlay text on the video.